welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making an end grain bowl, and the first tool we are using is the full size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by getting it to round. Here we go, getting a lot of that bark off. And you're going to start going round the bottom. There we go, flattening that off. And eventually making a tenon. Now here is the full size rougher. And back to the full size finisher. Do a bit more shaping. Here is the number one hollower, the mid size. And the mid size detailer on to match the angles of the jaws in the for the tenon. And there you go. Alright, so I'd already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit here from Klingspor Abrasives. And we're going to use the drill with that. There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen Danish Oil as a finish for the outside. Just going to brush that all over. It was very, very thirsty, this wood. It took a good few pokes. And he put on one, because obviously I've got to hollow it out yet, so yeah, I didn't fancy getting covered in oil. Alright, there we go, there's the first coat done. So now let's get to hollowing it out, and the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size number one hollower. So we're not going to flatten this piece off because I wanted to keep the slant in the bowl. Just going to hollow it out. There we go, starting to get rid of some of that mass in the middle now. And now we'll switch to the Pro Size number one hollower. Here's the full size rougher, just to flatten off them sides. And here is the full size finisher, just to connect that side up to the bottom. Make everything nice and uniform and get out any lumps and bumps that maybe have happened. And there we go. Bit of compressed air. Alright, once again, already done most of the sanding, so we're going to sand to 240 grit with the drill to start with. And now the inertia sander. There we go. More compressed air. And finally some more Danish oil. The rain on this bowl is absolutely wonderful. Not really sure the camera does it much justice. Just going to lather that all over. Like I said earlier, the wood was quite thirsty, so it did take a few coats. I only show you the one on the inside, but I did put another one on the outside, but off camera I put another couple of coats on. There you go. Anyway, with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.